The double top chart pattern, presented by finvids.com Finance Videos. We will begin with a discussion of the terms and statistics of the double top pattern. We will discuss the four variants of the double top, the Adam and Adam, Eve and Eve, Adam and Eve, and Eve and Adam pattern. We will show the expected average gains from the breakouts from these four patterns. We will discuss the market psychology of the double top pattern, and we will discuss a few real-life chart examples of these patterns. What is not included in this video, but is included in the content below this video at finvids.com, is a discussion on the price targets of the double top pattern. Once a sell signal is triggered, traders need to know when to exit their short. The double top occurs after a prior uptrend. Prices then retrace downward. This creates the left peak. Once prices bottom and start heading higher, this creates what's referred to as the middle trough. This also establishes the support line. After prices rise and then fall again, this creates the right peak. When prices break below the support line, a sell signal is triggered. As is often the case, after the sell signal, prices pull back to the support line, and as is typical in chart patterns, a support line that has been pierced becomes a future area of resistance, and prices should fall down from there. Note that the difference between the highest peak of the double top and the middle trough should be at least 10%. Each of the peaks should be within 2 to 5% of one another. And the difference between the left and right peak should be approximately 2 to 6 weeks. Typically, an uptrend occurs making higher highs and higher lows. So the first peak of the double top is merely just another higher high. The trough is merely a retracement of that uptrend. It is still a higher low, so the definition of an uptrend, higher highs and higher lows, is still intact. Note that the right peak should make a higher high in order for the uptrend to be persisted, but yet it does not. This is the first warning sign that the uptrend is in trouble. Now, once prices break below the previous low, then the definition of an uptrend has been broken. As is the case, there's often a pullback. This creates a lower low. So now we have lower lows and lower highs. This is the very definition of a new downtrend. There are four anatomically suggestive double top patterns. We begin with the Eve and Eve double top. Notice that each peak occurs over multiple days and is rounded. The average maximum decline after a breakout from the Eve and Eve double top pattern is approximately 18%. Note that according to Bulkowski, this is the #1 most successful double top pattern of the four. Here we have the Mel version, the Adam and Adam double top. Notice that each top is usually a single day spike. The Atom and Atom is the second best performing double top and has an average maximum decline after breakout of 19%. Here we have the Adam and Eve double top. The first left peak is usually a single one-day spike peak, whereas the second right peak is more rounded and occurs over multiple days. The average maximum decline for the Adam and Eve double top is approximately 18%. Note that Bulkowski claims that this is a very poor performer. Here we have the final Eve and Adam double top. The first peak is rounded and occurs over multiple days, whereas the second peak is usually a single day and very spiky. The average max decline is approximately 15% for the Eve and Adam double top. Here we have an Eve and Adam double top example of the utility Spider ETF. Here we have an uptrend with a multiple day rounded top, a decline, and the second peak is a 2-day sharp peak. When prices break below support, a sell signal is triggered, and in this chart prices fall. In this chart of United Technologies, we have an Adam and Adam double top. So we have a typical uptrend followed by a single day price spike. Prices then fall downwards, creating the middle valley, and then make a second spike peak. Once prices break below support line, a sell signal is triggered. Please note that we have 37 other chart pattern videos at finvids.com, as well as 33 candlestick chart patterns.